welcome back to another one of my videos. My name is Steph. Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate cake in 5 minutes. Right, the stuff I have on the side here is my ingredients I'm going to use. So I need self-raising flour, cocoa powder, caster sugar, oil, egg, milk. I'm also going to need some water and a microwavable bowl. Okay, let's get cracking. Oh, and you need some measuring stuff as well. So you're going to need your scales and you're going to need your measuring spoons. Okay, oh, and maybe a jug to do your measuring your water. Okay, and your oil. Let's get going. First of all, you're going to need a bowl. You're going to measure out 25 grams of cocoa powder into your bowl. Okay, and then you're going to measure out 110 mils of water into your bowl and dissolve the cocoa powder. Everybody, while I'm waiting for the kettle to boil to melt my cocoa powder, I am measured out 175 grams of self-raising flour. Okay, and then I'm going to need 175 grams of caster sugar, which I'm going to add to the flour, and then I will add the wet mixture, which would be the egg, the oils, the milk and the cocoa powder mixture. Okay, so I'm going to add the sugar next and then we'll go from there. I added the dry mixture to a mixing bowl. Right, now I'm going to start adding the wet mixture. So I'm going to add my egg and my milk and my oil and then my cocoa mixture, and then we'll give it a whisk up. This is just flour and eggs. Flour and sugar. One egg. And then we're going to add 55 millilitres of semi-skimmed milk. Okay. Okay. And then we need to add 55 mils of vegetable oil. Okay. Right, I've added the oil to the mixture, which is 55 millilitres of vegetable oil. Okay, now while I was doing that, I've also made up the cocoa mixture. Okay, millilitres of boiling water. We give it a mix. We stick it in the microwave for 10 seconds on high, just to make sure all the cocoa powder has been dissolved. But when you have made up your cocoa mixture, make sure you have no lumps in it. Give it a bit of a stir up and make sure all the cocoa powder has dissolved. Okay, let it cool down just for a little while and then we can put it in with the wet mixture of our cake. Right, we've added the cocoa mixture and we're going to whisk it now for 1 minute. It will be a much runnier consistency to a normal cake mix. Okay, so don't panic. Right, give it a good whisk. Try to make sure you get rid of all the, I've still got flour on my whisker. I'm going to give it a little bit more of a whisk. And then it is much runnier. So don't panic about that. And then we'll cook it. Right, I added the mixture to a microwavable bowl thing. We'll put it in the microwave. And you can see it rise. Right, you need to set your microwave for 5 minutes on full power. Okay. And let's see it cook. Here we have it, a cake. I'm going to tip it out. Make sure you run a knife around the edges. Okay, I'm going to tip it out onto a plate and then I'm going to put some chocolate butter icing on it, and I'll show you when I've finished. While I was at it, also made a coffee one, so rather than putting cocoa mixture into it, I put coffee granule. Okay, made up a coffee mixture rather than cocoa mixture. Okay, same stuff, just with different flavour. Right, as you can see, they don't come out particularly pretty looking, so you do need to decorate them. Okay, I suggest you, I'm going to melt some chocolate, put over the top of the chocolate one. The coffee ones come up even looks a bit even more tatty, so I'm going to put butter icing over the top of this one. So just, you know, they don't look overly pretty, but they do taste good, and they are very, very quick. So if you want a very, very quick cake, then this is how you do it. All I've got is a little bit of butter and a bar of milk chocolate. I'm going to melt it in the microwave, and then I'm going to decorate the chocolate cake with it. Right, these are the cakes once I've iced them. Covers up. I've covered that one in chocolate icing. This one's got coffee, chocolate icing. They taste better than they look. But if you want something really, really quick, then this is the way to go. If not, obviously conventional cake cooking, you know, is better. But this is for super quickness, and if you really want something delicious and quick. Right, anyway, I'm gonna say goodbye. Say bye, 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 bye.